Namaskar, Arpita again in front of you with my episode number 47. Today's episode is related with jute silk. This is a jute silk, the sari which I am wearing. It's a feather light sari. It's very comfortable for daily uses. Friends, those who are bound to go to offices, those who are school teachers, they can buy this sari, wear this sari, and it's very easy to maintain also, very pocket friendly also. Some are in block print, some are mostly are in screen prints. So I think you will like this sari. These are very comfortable, very easy to maintain. That's the main thing. So let me start with my episode number 47. I think you will like this episode. Okay, then sari number 1. Priced 1950. This is a pure jute silk sari, easy to maintain, very lightweighted sari. Sari number 1, the price is 1950. The sari which I am wearing is very light sari, and this is a screen printed saris with some embroideries had been done on the upper and the lower border. Okay, this is the palla part. Okay, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. You can wear this sari with a red blouse or a black blouse, even you can wear it with a white blouse also, will look very nice. Okay, sari number 1, and the rest sari is in this way. This is the rest half. Sari number 1, and the price is 1950. This is sari number 2. Today I am showing you all new stocks, as because the situation is not comfortable. I am not asking my friends to visit my shop, purchase sari through online. You trust me, trust my products. This is sari number 2. Look, this is a digital printed jute silk. The printing process is a little costlier, so the price of this sari is 2350. Wonderful piece, new stock. First I am reopening this sari today in front of you. Okay, this is the whole sari. Look, the upper border has a geometrical print, upper and lower border, and the base is floral print. It's a very nice combination, and this is the palla part, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Wonderful sari. Porun, jara office goer, those friends who regularly visit office, school teachers, wear this sari. Very comfortable. Dip in the water and wash it out. Wash and wear sari. Sari number 3. Same sari, jute silk, but it has a satin border on the base. On the upper and the lower border, it has a satin border. Sari number 3, a geometrical print, wonderful. Look at the palla part, very lightweight. No dry clean, nothing, just dip in the water and wash it out. It's very comfortable in rainy season also. And this is the blouse piece of the sari. I think friends, you will like this sari. Yeah, this is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, sari number 3, and the price is 2550. Sari number 4. Price 2350. A very nice, simple, smart border. You can wear a tussar blouse. When you wear this sari, it will look you are wearing a silk sari. The prints are so good. Friends, those who have already subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, share it. This is the blouse piece of the sari. You can wear a tussar blouse also, will look very nice. Either a bottle green blouse. Okay, sari number 4, and the price is 2350. Sari number 5, the sari which I am wearing, the same print, only there is a difference in color. Okay, it's a ikat printed sari. This is not a digital print, this is a screen printed sari. Okay, this is sari number 5, and the price is 1800. and this is the normal blouse piece with stripes. Okay, sari number 5 and the price is 1800. Sari number 6. Very nice, and you will be, when the friends, those who will take this sari, you will be very happy after receiving the fabric. It's so good. Not that it's not a business talk, I am telling you the truth. It's a very comfortable fabric. Okay, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, and this is the whole print. Not the to blouse piece. Look at the blouse piece against the base print of the sari. Yeah, this is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, this was sari number 6 and the price was 2550. That was a satin border, that's why 2550. Sari number 7, this is 2350. Dark wine color, little bit brown is also used. Wonderful piece. This is the palla part with a geometrical border and print. The upper and the lower border is geometrically printed and the base is a floral printed. A pure digital printed sari on jute. And look at the blouse piece. This will come the blouse piece. Make this blouse piece, it will look very nice. Okay, this was sari number 7 and the price was 2350. Sari number 8, same print, only the difference, there is a difference in the color. Dark navy blue colored sari. This is the palla part. And this is the base. Very nice fabric. It's not a business talk, ma'am. Trust me, it's very nice sari. Friends, those who wear sari regularly, wear this sari. Very nice, something different. Sari number 8 and the price is 2350. Sari number 9. Sari number 19, this is 2350. This is the palla part and this is the whole sari. And let me show you the blouse piece of the sari. $2350. You can wear a black blouse, you can wear a white blouse, look very rich. Sari number 10. Sari number 10 and the price is 2350. And a wonderful floral design. This is the palla. This is the whole body with a tussar base on both sides, border on both sides, sorry, tussar border on both sides, and wonderful floral print on the base. And let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, sari number 10 and the price is 2350. Sari number 11. This is also satin bordered sari, a digital printed sari, very nice. I will be able to give only single designs. I will be able to give only one friends each sari. This is the palla part, and this is the whole sari. The border is ash. This has a satin border. A satin thread has been used, and this is the base. And let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Sari number 11, and the price is 2550. Sari number 12. Same sari, only the difference is in the print. This is the palla part, and this is the base. And let me show you the blouse piece, friends. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Sari number 13, and the price is 2550. Sari number 13. A dark wine colored sari with a lovely pallu. Look at the pallu. Friends, please do share my channel, will do a big help. Right now, friends, be very safe. I am not calling you to my shop. Friends, those who are within Kolkata, stay at home, purchase sari through online. There is a COD facility in Kolkata and outskirts of Kolkata, but outside of Kolkata you have to transfer the money, and I will courier it to you. Send me the screenshot the sari which you are liking. Accordingly, I will dispatch the sari to you. Courier services, there is no problem in courier service right now in Kolkata, so you can happily book the sari. Sari number 14. Dark mehendi green combination, mehendi green, ochre yellow, wonderful sari, wonderful, with geometrical palla and border, and this is the base. And let me show you the blouse piece, friends. This is the blouse piece of the sari. If you face any problem to select the saris, please let me know. Don't hesitate, let me know. Accordingly, I will definitely help you during purchasing the sari, and be very confident. I am confident with my product. You have to trust me, friends. Okay. Once you purchase sari from my shop, I know you will definitely purchase second time also. I have that confidence. Okay. This is sari number 15. In every episode, I try to show you similar types of saris, just to make you comfortable, give you a comfort to select the saris. Okay, that's the reason I show similar types of saris in each and episode. This is sari number 15, and the price is 2550. Let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, the sari number 15, and the price was 2550. Sari number 16. Friends, I think you are enjoying my saris. If possible, please try to purchase one. office goers, you can purchase this sari, will help you during summer, winter, monsoon, every season. This is a very good quality sari for office goers, especially for office goers. Sari number 17, the price is 1800. This is not digital print. The sari priced 1800 are not digital printed saris. This is a normal printed saris, screen printed saris. This is the palla part. And this is the orange with ash border. This is not orange, dark peach. Dark peach. This is not orange, friends. It's dark peach with ash border. And look at the blouse piece. A wonderful blouse piece it has. Wear this blouse will look very nice. Okay. This was sari number 17 and the price was 1800. This is sari number 19. The same sari which I am wearing. Okay. It's a typical ikat printed saris. It's a digital printed sari. No, this is not digital print. This is block printed sari, and the price is 1800. This is the palla part. This is the palla part. The same sari which I am wearing, my friends. This is the whole body. Ikat print has been done in block. Screen print. Screen printed sari, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay. Sari number 18 and the price is 1800. Sari number 19. Sari number 19, wonderful floral design. This is a digital printed sari on jute silk, my friends. Very eye soothing color, and this is the blouse piece. Okay friends, it was sari number 19 and the price was 2350. Sari number 20. So এটা কত নম্বর শাড়ি ছিল? 20. ঠিক আছে। Sari number 20. This is the palla part. This is a satin bordered sari, price 2550, black and ash combination sari. Small birds throughout the sari. Friends, this is the blouse piece. The concept is very nice. The base is little bit floral and the pallu is geometrical. Okay, mix and match digital printed sari on satin jute silk, and the price was 2550. Sari number 21. This is a normal screen printed jute silk, priced 1800. This is a wonderful pink, a pastel pink with ash. Sari number 22. Sorry friends. price is 1800. And let me show you the blouse piece, a wonderful blouse piece it has. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Sari number 21 and the price is 1800. Sari number 22. This is the palla part. Khub shundur, wonderful sarees. I am very confident regarding prints, regarding quality, regarding everything, regarding price also. Pocket friendly sarees. Buy the saree, wear it, and send me the comments. This is the blouse piece. Friends, please share your comments, negative, positive, whatever. Your comments are very valuable for me to uplift my product. This was sari number 22 and the price was 2350. Sari number 23. The sari number 1 and sari number 23 is similar sari, but there is a difference only in the color. 1950. This is the palla part. And this is the whole sari. Let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Sari number 23 and the price is 1950. Sari number 24. A midnight blue colored sari, wonderful piece. This is the palla part, a midnight blue, wonderful piece with geometrical pallu and border on both sides, even the blouse piece also. But the base is floral, a wonderful combination of geometrical and floral. Okay. Friends, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Pallu, blouse piece and border is in geometrical print and the base is a floral print it has. Sari number 24 and the price is 2350. Sari number 25, the last piece I am showing you. Lots of options I have given you, friends. Trust me and my products. I am very confident once you purchase sari from these episodes, you will definitely become my permanent friends. This is a satin bordered jute silk sari and this is the blouse piece in ikat style. Sari number 25 and the price is 2550. Friends, today I have shown you 25 lovely jute silk saris. I think you will love it. Very confident about my product. Be confident when you are purchasing these saris. So please purchase, try to purchase one. Will do a big help to me, my shop. Friends, today I have shown you 25 wonderful pieces of jute silk. Please like my saris, like my channel, subscribe it, press the bell icon to get the next intimation. And friends, those who are outside of Kolkata, please send me the screenshot. And within Kolkata, friends, you are also unable to visit my shop right now, send me the screenshot. You will get the facility of COD. So please wait for my next episode, for episode number 47. Thank you.